Hi everybody, welcome to week 3 of our class which runs from Wednesday, August 30th to Tuesday, September 5th. Alright, we're already into week 3. I think you all got my profile. If you need to, again, if you need to call me up, please call me up, leave a voicemail, and then I'll get back to you. And remember, if you have a question about the assignments, go to the Ask the Professor folder and put your questions in there. But if you have questions or how-to questions on the statistical part, please use the statistical tutors. They are being paid to help you with the assignments and the calculations. They are there to help you, and most of them are former students of this course, and some I've actually taught. Alright, you got a 9-week assignment again. It's the critical review assignment. Here's your article. Here's your due date, October 17th. No due date extension since it's a 9-week assignment. At this point, you should just be reading the article, taking notes. If you have a question about the article, that's where you would go to the Ask the Professor folder. Put them in there. Do not ask the statistical tutors about the critical review assignment because they can't answer your questions. Okay? And so by this time you should be reading the article and taking notes or whatever and looking at the directional sheet which I have previously shown you. Go to session 9 or week 9 to get the direction and the template. After the midterm exam, I'll be going more into detail about the assignment. Alright, your only assignment this week is quiz 3. This will be your first quiz assignment where you have to do it online. Here are some directions here and so forth. So I'll let you read that on your own. Alright, let's go to class. Alright, I don't want that up there. Let's go to where I want to go. There we go. I went to content section to get week 3. I'll go back to the tutoring section in just a moment. Alright, again, I suggest you start at the top. Work your way down through the various folders. This is my PowerPoint, I believe. And again, if you have questions about the concepts that you're going to be learning about probability rules, ask me the questions about the concepts. But when it comes time to do the actual statistical work, again, if you have questions, go to the statistical tutors. So again, start at the top, work your way down through the folders. Alright, let's go to... Again, let's go to 9 just very quickly. Again, scroll down to the bottom, and here's all the information you need about the critical review assignment. And I will talk more about that later on. Alright, let's go to activities, assessments. Let's go to quizzes. And scroll down. There is a practice quiz. That you can do. It's not for grading, but if you do the practice quiz, this then will be your opportunity to go and ask the statistical tutors for help. This is where you would then ask them for help. Alright. And let's go back. Here is your quiz. Let's bring it up a little bit. Quiz 3. And again, I suggest each day work on the problems. There are 16 problems. You can see how many points they are. I suggest each day taking maybe 1, 2, or 3, maybe 4, and work on those problems. You can then ask the statistical tutors for help if you need it. Now remember, the statistical tutors cannot do the actual work for you, but they can guide you along the way. Alright, so that's your quiz 3 that you'll be doing. Alright, let's get back here. Let's go again. Now, to get to the statistical tutors, again, you go to academic support, go to tutoring, and this will come up. And again, you want to go to connect. Now, again, you can go to my account and ask for a favorite tutor if you have one. But what you're going to do, again, is make sure our class is up here. If it's not, you have a list that you can get it from. It doesn't matter. I think statistical or Excel help. I think it's both the same. Type your question in here, press submit, and a tutor will definitely get back with you. Alright, let me go back here. I'm going to scroll up. Quiz 3 is your only assignment this week. And be very careful. Once you press submit, that's it. It's going to be graded. It's automatically graded. Then after the due date, you will see the actual answers. So be very careful. You can save, but once you submit, that's it. It will be automatically graded. Alright, again, the critical review assignment, please work on that. Ask statistical tutors for help. Ask me questions specifically about the assignments. Alright, I think that's about all I have to say. This is Dr. Chasen, signing off.